Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for eHarmony. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, just open up any browser and then you have to search for this eHarmony, and then you will be taken to official link of eHarmony, which is the www.eharmony.com. Just click on this first one here. Now you guys will be taken to the home page of eHarmony. If you already have an account of eHarmony, just click on login option in the top right, and then you will be able to log in into your eHarmony. If you don't have any account, just look at the page over here. Stay free today. Have you tried online dating before? Just choose the option from these three. The first one is I am new to it, or the second one once or twice, and then I am an online dating pro. So just choose it. I'm going for the first one, and then again you have to choose here. I'm going for first one again. And now as you can see, what you are looking for, a man, woman, like whatever you want. If you are a man, you can choose I am a man and I'm looking for a woman, like this. And then you have to simply enter your mail here, and then you have to create your password. And after entering the mail and password, you just simply have to tap on this join now button, and you are good to go. Your account will be created for eHarmony. So that's pretty much it. That's how to sign up for eHarmony. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.